The making and unmaking of non-cooperation. Gandhiji led two campaigns in his home state, Gujarat. Firstly, he joined the Ahmedabad textile mill strike in February-March 1918, appealing for better working conditions for the textile mill workers. Secondly, he led peasants in Kheda Satyagraha who wanted remission of taxes by the state owing to crop failure. Mahatma Gandhi launched the first Satyagraha revolution in Kheda. Rowlatt Act. The British government passed the Rowlatt Act in India in March 1919, empowering the government to imprison a person accused of terrorism without any trial. Gandhiji proposed a nationwide protest against the act and announced a Hartal on April 6. The protest intensified and reached a climax in Amritsar in April 1919, when a nationalist meeting was fired at by the troop of a British brigadier, killing more than 400 people. The infamous episode is known as the Jallianwala Massacre. Rowlatt Act turned Gandhiji into a nationalist leader in the real sense. Its success prompted Gandhiji to call for a non-cooperation campaign against the imperial rule. Non-cooperation movement. Factors leading to the non-cooperation movement. The unfair laws introduced by the British during the First World War, 1914-18. It imposed censorship on press and introduced Rowlatt Act, 1919, permitting detention without trial. While campaigning against Rowlatt Act, Gandhiji was prevented from proceeding to Punjab. A number of eminent local congressmen were arrested. The protests resulted in the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. The success of Rowlatt Satyagraha encouraged Gandhiji to call for a non-cooperation movement.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.